In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 404 page in Elementor. So stick around to learn every step to ensure your website visitors have a professional and seamless experience, even when they encounter an error. Let's kick things off by creating a standard WordPress page. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Pages section. Here, you'll want to click on Add New. This will allow us to craft a page specifically designed for when your users land on those pesky 404 errors, which, as we all know, happens when a page isn't found. Consider naming this page something clear and direct, like Page Not Found. Once you've named it, you'll want to pay attention to the page's slug, essentially the URL extension. A simple and effective choice for the slug would be something like 404 for easy recognition. With your title and slug set, it's time to move on to the fun part, designing. Ensure your page is set to use Elementor as the editor. Load up Elementor, and you'll be greeted with the intuitive drag-and-drop interface. For a 404 page, the goal is to be informative, concise, and visually appealing, while also encouraging users to navigate back to an active part of your site. Consider including a headline that clearly states the issue, such as, "Oops, page not found." Below that, a brief message informing users that the page they're looking for couldn't be found is essential. Feel free to add a bit of personality to your message to keep things friendly and inviting. Now, adding a button is a great idea. Create a clear call to action, such as return to home or visit our blog. Remember, the easier you make it for them to navigate away from this dead end, the more likely they are to stay on your site. Visual elements can make a huge difference in how users perceive your error page. You could use an image or an illustration that captures attention but doesn't detract from the message. This makes sure the page is engaging without being overly cluttered. Once your design is complete, it's critical to ensure that this page is set as your site's default 404 page. To do this, you'll need to head to your theme's settings. Depending on the theme you're using, the process might vary slightly. Often, themes provide a specific section for error pages. If not, there are plugins available that specialize in custom 404 page settings without requiring any code. Finally, double-check everything: the layout, the links, and the responsiveness on different devices. It's important that mobile users also have a smooth experience, so ensure that your page looks good across various screen sizes. Once you've previewed and confirmed that all looks good, go ahead and publish your page. And there you have it, your very own custom 404 page handcrafted with Elementor. This small but impactful step ensures your site remains professional and user-friendly, even when things go a little off course. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.